Kedz Funeral Home started in 1969. My wife and I took over in 1993.
We've hired contractors in the past who haven't always done the best work. We needed to have the building resited. So I had interviewed a few contractors, really like John. John had a attention to detail that we really appreciated. He was great at suggesting things or listening to things that we wanted. And so he always came back with ideas and pictures. And so it was always so helpful. Tile work has been excellent. John tore this all down. We went all the way down to the basement. He put in a new basement, and then he built this all back up. We have a new kitchen, a new office space.
As well as remodeling the downstairs for us in our viewing rooms.
His personality, he was very calm, very reassuring, easy to talk to. He wasn't pushy.
It has been a positive effect on people that have come back to us and told us how nice it was.
Not only do we work here, but we live here. So that creates, a little bit of a problem. And John was extremely accommodating with us for that. And John was great to work with, and John was amazing as far as keeping the place clean. He always checked up on his workers.
But everything worked out wonderful.
With any construction job, there's always little hiccups along the way. Trying to get, inspectors, or this one didn't approve or that. But he was always right on top of it for us and always let us know exactly what was going on.